Hey guys, in this video I'll be mentioning some of the cheapest rugged phones in 2025, and these rugged phones are perfect for everyone regardless of the field that you operate. Either you're an outdoor enthusiast, a construction worker, or just someone looking for a very cheap smartphone. These rugged phones in this video are perfect for you, especially if you're on a budget. Anyway, if you're new here, kindly subscribe and turn on notifications. So without further ado, let's check them out. So the first device in this video is the E150 Action A5 Pro. This is without a doubt the cheapest rugged phone in 2025. The device costs just $99. It's currently available on E150's official website or on AliExpress. I think it's also available on Amazon. I'll probably put a link in the video description or comment section for those of you that are interested. Anyway, this device, even though it costs just $99, packs some interesting features. And speaking of features, well, here they are.
That can survive a drop in a mud puddle. Up front, you get a big 6.88-inch HD Plus display. It's not the sharpest out there, but it's plenty of screen for maps, messages, whatever you're up to. But the real twist? There's a 1-inch rear display. I love this. It's perfect for checking notifications or framing a selfie with the main camera. No awkward arm gymnastics required. Camera-wise, you've got a 16MP dual setup on the back and a basic 5MP selfie cam. These aren't going to win awards, but they'll get the job done for quick snaps and video calls. Powering it all is the Unisoc T603 and Android 15 Geo. It's entry-level hardware, but with 8 GB RAM, well, 3 GB real and 5 GB virtual. It should handle multitasking just fine. And the storage? 256 gigs built in, and you can slap in a 2 TB micro SD. That's nuts for a rugged phone. Battery life looks solid at 5,100 mAh, and you get all the rugged certifications. IP68, IP69K, MIL-STD 810H. This thing is built for real-world abuse. Think job sites, hiking trails, or just being a little clumsy. So, is the Action A5 Pro the ultimate rugged phone? If you want something tough, light, practical, and just a bit different, it's absolutely worth a look.
The next device in this video is the Oukitel WP53 Pro. I've actually talked about the Oukitel WP53 Pro on the channel already. It's a very cheap rugged phone. It costs just $200 and it's currently available on AliExpress. The device packs unique features including a 128 decibel speaker, and it has a super bright camping light. And these are its other top features. And just like the Oukitel WP56, the device is rated IP68 and IP69K. It is also military grade standard 810H certified, and other features like a side mounted fingerprint scanner and face unlock, NFC support, OTG, FM radio, GPS and other essential navigation systems, dual SIM support, and reverse charging. Now that's where the similarities end, because every other specs of this device doesn't come close to that of the Oukitel WP56. But of course, this phone is a budget phone. The WP56 is kind of like a mid-range device, but it's also very affordable. Anyway, other specs of this device includes a 6.52-inch HD Plus display. The device ships with the Android 15 and it's the stock version, so you'll be getting a clean UI free of unnecessary bloatware. The phone packs a massive 11,000 mAh battery, and it supports fast charging and reverse charging, which means you could use this device to charge other devices. The phone has a triple rear camera setup with a 50MP main sensor, and its top notch houses an 8MP selfie shooter. And finally, the phone has 8GB RAM and 256GB internal storage. So these are the top features of the Oukitel WP53 Pro. As I mentioned earlier, it's going to launch on the 14th of July for about $250. And I think I'll be comparing this device with the Oukitel WP56 to point out the similarities and differences. Next in this video is the Ulefone Armor X16 Pro. Now this is Ulefone's latest budget rugged phone. It costs about $250 and it's a 5G rugged phone, which makes it one of the best cheap rugged phones of 2025. Its features are actually quite impressive, and yeah, these are its top features. So the Armor X16 Pro is a really nice looking rugged phone. It is 17.95mm thick and it weighs 394 grams. At the back of the phone is a ginormous camera module that houses triple cameras, dual flash, and 2 IR lights, indicating that the device features a night vision camera. The phone has a 6.56-inch HD Plus 120Hz display with a 910 nits max brightness. Running the phone is the latest Android 15. Under the hood, the phone is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 6300 octa-core processor paired with the ARM G57 MC2 GPU. In terms of memory, the device features an 8GB base RAM and it supports 8GB VRAM, and it has 256GB UFS 2.2 storage that can be expanded up to 2TB using a microSD card. Now in the camera department, as I mentioned earlier, the device features a triple rear camera setup consisting of a 64MP main sensor, a 25MP night vision camera, and a 2MP macro lens. The main camera can record up to 2K videos at 30fps, and on the front is a 16MP selfie camera for selfies and video calls. Now the Armor X16 Pro is backed by a massive 10,360 mAh battery, and it supports 33 watts fast charging. It also supports 5 watts reverse wire charging, but unfortunately it doesn't support wireless charging, which is expected because, come on, it's a budget phone. Now I mentioned earlier that the device features dual flash at the back, like 2 flashlights. Now one of the flash is a camping light with a max brightness of about 133 lumens. Now this device also has on its left hand side one key lighting button that you can use to power on and off this flashlight. Now that one key button also acts as a customizable key which you could use for other purposes as well. Now other features of this device includes a 3.5mm headphone jack. It has a side-mounted fingerprint scanner and face unlock support, air blaster that you can use to control your TV and other appliances in your home. It supports glove mode, which means that you can actually operate this device while wearing gloves. It also has NFC, OTG, underwater camera support, which means you can actually record videos and take photos underwater using the device. And the device has Bluetooth 5.2, GPS and other navigation systems, a 3-card slot, and so much more. So these are the top features of the Armor X16 Pro. As I mentioned earlier, the device is not available yet, but it is expected to launch in July for about $250. As you can see, it's going to be very, very cheap. I'm not surprised though, because come on, this is a rugged phone from Ulefone, so yeah, it's expected to be very affordable. Anyway, what do you guys think? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out. So these are some of the best cheap rugged phones in 2025. As you can see, they're actually quite impressive. They are nice and of course very, very affordable. And as I mentioned earlier, these devices are perfect for almost everybody. If you're looking for a cheap rugged phone, then you may want to check one of these devices out. But overall, what do you guys think? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.